If you are looking for a note-taking app for school, work, or everyday organization, you have probably heard about Notability. In this video, I'll go over what Notability offers, its best features, the downsides, pricing, and whether it's actually worth using in 2026. And for now, let's get into it. What is Notability? Notability is a digital note-taking app available mainly on iPad, iPhone, and Mac. It's especially popular among students because it combines handwriting, typing, PDF annotation, audio recording, and organization tools in one app. The app works best with an Apple Pencil, but you can also type notes using a keyboard. Main features: handwritten notes. One of Notability's biggest strengths is handwriting. The writing experience feels smooth and responsive, especially on iPads. You get different pen styles, colors, highlighting tools, and zoom mode for cleaner handwriting. If you prefer writing instead of typing, this is one of the better apps available. Audio recording. A standout feature is synchronized audio recording. While taking notes, Notability can record lectures or meetings and sync the audio with your notes. So later, when you tap on a word or drawing, the app plays the exact part of the recording from that moment. For students or people attending meetings often, this feature is extremely useful. PDF annotation. Notability also works well for PDFs. You can import documents, highlight text, write directly on pages, add comments, and organize files into subjects and dividers. That makes it useful for studying, reviewing contracts, or editing documents. Typing and mixed notes. You are not limited to handwriting. You can combine typed text, drawings, images, stickers, and handwritten notes on the same page. This flexibility makes the app useful for both casual note taking and more detailed projects. Cloud Sync. Notability supports iCloud syncing across Apple devices, so your notes automatically update between your iPad, iPhone, and Mac. This is important if you switch devices often. User interface. The interface is clean and simple. Most tools are easy to find, and beginners usually learn the app quickly. Compared to some more advanced note taking apps, Notability focuses more on simplicity than deep customization. That is good for users who just want to open the app and start writing immediately. Pros. Here are the biggest advantages of Notability: excellent handwriting experience, very useful audio recording feature, simple and beginner friendly interface, good PDF annotation tools, reliable syncing across Apple devices, works well for students and professionals. Cons. But there are also some downsides. Best experience is limited to Apple devices. Some advanced features require a subscription. Organization tools are simpler compared to apps like GoodNotes or OneNote. Heavy users may want more customization options. Audio recordings can increase storage usage over time. Pricing. Notability offers a free version with limited features. For full access, including premium tools and unlimited usage, you will need the paid subscription plan. For casual users, the free version may be enough, but students or daily users will probably need the premium plan. You can check the latest pricing directly on the official website. Is Notability worth it? Overall, Notability is still one of the best note taking apps for Apple users in 2026. Its biggest strengths are handwriting, audio syncing, and ease of use. If you mainly use an iPad for studying, meetings, or document annotation, it's definitely worth considering. However, if you want deeper organization tools, more customization, or cross platform support, you may want to compare it with alternatives like GoodNotes, OneNote, or Obsidian. And that's my review of Notability. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe and let me know down below in the comments which note-taking app you use the most. Share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.